Topic is types of doors. Some types of door is here. First type of door is battened and latch doors. This is the simplest type of door and used generally in rural areas. Simplest type of door and for narrow openings. The door formed of vertical bonds known is battened, which are usually to regard and grooved and are fixed together by horizontal support known as latched. This is these are the battened vertical wooden planks batten and horizontal wooden planks are known as latched and fixed in together batten the simplest type of door and this is the fixers batten and latched. Battens are these battens are 100 to 150 wide and 20 to 30 mm thick. Latches are 100 to 200 wide and 25 to 30 thick. These are the batten and latch door. Second type is batten, latched and braced door. Batten, latched and third element is braced. This is batten, vertical planks of wood. Batten, horizontal planks of wood is latched and inclined member is known as braced. So this is the second type of door, batten, latched and braced door. Dimensions are same that batten and latched door. Third type of door is batten, latched and frame door. In first type, batten and latched, we add a frame. So this is the batten, vertical planks of wooden batten and horizontal latched, and here is a frame. Frame is also there. So batten and latched assembly fixed in frame. So this is the batten, latched and frame door. And fourth type is batten, latched and braced door. In second type of door, batten, latched, braced door. In second type door, we provide frame. So batten, vertical wooden planks, latched horizontal wooden planks and braced inclined. These assembly fix in frame, not without frame, fixed in frame. This is the batten, latched, braced and frame door. These four types of door are the old type of door and generally used in rural areas. Fifth type and general type of door is framed and panel door. This type of door are widely used in almost all types of building. They are strong and give better appearance than batten doors. This door consists of a framework of vertical members and horizontal members called rails. Vertical members known as stile and horizontal members rails, and in between of rails the members known as panel. These are made from timber plywood and salient features of framed and panel door are first this is the framed and panel door. These are this is single panel door, this is two panel door, this is three panel door, this is four panel door, this is the six panel door, this is also six panel door. These are the panels. These are this top rail, this is intermediate rail, this is rock rail, and this is the bottom rail. In between rails, these are the panels. Salient features of framed and panel door. The styles means vertical component of shutter. The stiles are continuous from top to bottom. That is, they are in single piece. Various rails are joined to the stiles at both the ends. The bottom and lock rail are made wider than top and crease rails. The entire frame is grooved on all the inside faces to receive the panels. The minimum width of stile is kept as 100 mm. This is the stile, this vertical part. The minimum width of stile is kept 100 mm. Bottom rail and lock rail is kept as 150 mm. Width should be 150 mm and thickness should be 15 mm. Panel's width should be 150 mm and this thickness of panel is 15 mm. This is double shutter framed and panel door. These are the single shutter panel door, and this is the double shutter, one and one, double shutter framed and panel door. These are the top rail, crease rail, lock rail, bottom rail, and this is the panels, and this is stile, and this is frame. This vertical portion, and this is horizontal portion. This assembly is frame. This is the framed and panel door. Sixth door is glazed or sash door or glass door. Where additional light is required to be admitted to the room through the door, such doors are commonly used in residential as well as public buildings like hospital, school. This type of door may be either fully glazed or they be partly glazed and partly paneled. This is the fully glazed door or fully glass door. This is the framed glazed door or partly glazed door. These are the wooden panels, and these are the this glass panel. Some important types of door are lower door or Venetian door. The door which serve the ventilation also. These are the vent for ventilation. Wire glazed door made by wire gauge or wire door. These are the wire panels. Revolving door. This is the revolving door. Revolving all around and provided in malls, etc. Sliding door, slide in with support the wall. Swing door, this is the swing door, both side openable door is swing door. Collapsible door, this is the collapsible door. Generally people say as a channel door, but correct name is collapsible steel door. Rolling steel shutter door, this is rolling steel shutter door provided in shops and garage. Rolling steel shutter door. And other types of door are mild steel sheet door. Next is corrugated steel sheet doors, hollow metal doors, metal covered plywood doors, plywood inside plywood and outside metals covering. These are the some doors generally provided in buildings. Thank you.